This release, manufacturing data output was enhanced with 3 key new features. First off, there is now an option to output EDIF files. EDIFs are a vendor-neutral netlist format that can be used to visualize the schematic in PLM systems. And second, critical EDM metadata associated with your design can now be automatically updated and placed directly into your manufacturing drawing sheet borders. This ensures consistency across all your documentation, eliminates manual data entry errors, and guarantees that your drawings always reflect the latest and most accurate design information. Looking at the board container properties, we will iterate the revision of the PLM Design ID. Here, I'm changing it manually, but in a production environment, EDM design properties can be synced from a PLM system. In MDO configuration, we have already mapped the properties in the sheet border with the properties from EDM. The design ID, author, and description properties from EDM will now be applied. Lastly, for improved data completeness and efficiency, MDO can now be invoked directly from the Create Baseline dialog. Here you can see we have missing mandatory items in our baseline. We can simply press the Auto Generate button. This automatically invokes MDO, which then generates all the necessary missing files, ensuring your baseline is complete and accurate with minimal effort. We now verify the missing manufacturing files are present. If we dive into the schematic PDF, we can see that the updated design ID, author, and description is printed in the sheet border.